Princess Perfect Tresses Natural Conditioner by Kelly Boyd is one of the best sellers among baby conditioners products. Sea kelp, organic coconut and jojoba oils leave hair feeling silky smooth. Rinse out or leave-in for maximum manageability. Formulated expressly for delicate baby and toddler hair. Completely free of genetically modified organisms, parabens, petrochemicals, phthalates, sulfates, synthetic dyes or fragrances, triclosan and preservatives. Not tested on animals. This pure and natural formulation is loaded with some of the best that nature has to offer, leaving hair nourished and feeling silky smooth. Provitamin B5 and silk amino acids combine with organic coconut and jojoba oils to repair hair cuticle and add protein to strengthen the hair shaft. Sea kelp moisturizes and creates amazing shine. Organic essential oils of ylang-ylang, rose geranium and jasmine leave your hair smelling terrific naturally. Conditioner can be rinsed out or left in for maximum moisture and manageability.